Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to view YouTube watch history, and now let's dive right in. Now to view your YouTube watch history on YouTube, first open up your YouTube app on your phone and you land on this interface, whereas at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there's a U button available for us just beside the subscription over here. Tap on the U button first at the bottom right corner and you'll land on this interface. Now you will be required to tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner and you'll land on this interface where you can see guys the option where it says your data in YouTube. Just below the manage all history, will be required to tap on your data on YouTube and it will load a moment. And on this interface guys, scroll down and you'll be able to view your YouTube watch histories over here and your YouTube search histories as well as your YouTube voice searches. So in order to view all of your watch history on YouTube, after scrolling down over here on this interface, you can see here it says the manage your YouTube watch history over here. Tap on the manage your YouTube watch history and you will be landed over here. Now if you scroll down, you will be able to find all of your watched videos on YouTube. Now you can also delete these watched videos on YouTube by simply tapping on the cross mark at the top right corner of each of these videos, and you can see guys it says confirm you would like to delete this activity, and with that being done you can also delete it, or you will be able to delete this particular watch history from over here. The delete button is available for us over here. If you tap on the delete, this kind of menu will appear where you can either choose to delete the today watch story, delete from a custom raise, or delete all time. Choosing upon that, go through the process to delete it if you want to. And with that being said guys, this is how you would be able to view your YouTube watch history. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.